Hey, to turn on astrophotography on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, first of all, you will have to open your camera. When you do this, you will have to go into the night side mode and click on the settings icon, which is located on the left bar up corner. And as you can see here, there is the astrophotography, and you can turn it on by selecting this option. By the way, you have to be in the general tab. And if you wonder how you can use the astrophotography, so by tapping on this icon, the question mark actually, you can find the information how you can use it. So we have to place the phone on a steady surface, like for example the tripod. The shutter will change from a moon to stars, like this. Then we have to tap on it. We have to wait a minute. We have to wait at least 2.5 minutes to capture a time lapse in addition to a photo. So yeah, this is it for this video, the quick information for you right now. Please subscribe and see you in the next one.